Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'll show you how to set the template file as the default in AutoCAD. It's important to set it as default to optimize our time when starting a new project, avoiding having to search for the file first and then start the project. In AutoCAD, when clicking the plus sign on this top tab here, it always opens its default template, which is blank. It won't have your layers, it won't have everything you use in templates, right? We'll use the lab template, which is available to students who take both our in-person and online AutoCAD courses, to set it as the default here. So the first thing we have to do is actually open the file. Let's click on the top left corner. There's a very small tab next to the AutoCAD icon. There's the option Save As, and you'll choose Drawing Template. You do this once, right? The first time you open your template. So you can click it. There'll be a list here of the templates that come with AutoCAD. It's always good for your template to have a proper name to identify it easily in future projects. And I click Save. No need for a description, just click OK. This way AutoCAD will understand that this file of mine will always be the default. So just save it once. I'll choose the desktop and close it. Then we close the existing tab. When we go to create a new file, just click the icon next to it, which is New. Choose our template from the list, so in this case, the lab template. Open, and it will already be set as the default. So if I create a new file, for example, I want to start a new project, just click the plus sign and it'll already load my template. Even if I close both tabs, when creating a new file via the plus sign, it'll already load my template. I hope I've helped. See you in the next lessons, and be sure to take a course with us to get access to our template. Thank you very much.